To operate the air conditioner, please take the Daikin remote control and turn on the unit. Then select the desired room temperature using the up and down buttons. Choose the required operating mode using the Mode button: heating, cooling, or ventilation. Use the Fan button to adjust the fan speed. With the Swing button, you can adjust the angle of the airflow. After using the air conditioner, please turn it off by pressing the Start button. Please help conserve natural resources by using the air conditioner only with windows fully closed. Please do not use multiple high-power electrical appliances at the same time, such as the stove, oven, dishwasher, air conditioner, kettle, iron, toaster, and washing machine. This may cause an overload of the electrical system and trigger an automatic shutdown. Our team wishes you a good holiday.